Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's George Headley Primary going up against Mona Heights Primary, both from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and George Headley Primary won and decided to send Mona Heights Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mona Heights Primary and Bible knowledge. Who protected Joshua's spies to Jericho?
Rahab.
Correct. George Headley, how many spies did Joshua send to spy out the land of Jericho?
Two.
That's right. International affairs is a visual. This is for Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Singapore.
That's right. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Thailand.
That's right. Science for Mona Heights. What process occurs in the human lungs when oxygen is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide is removed from it?
Respiration.
Incorrect. It's the gaseous exchange. George Headley, what is the name of the mode of energy transfer that involves the spreading of electromagnetic waves?
Radiation.
That's right. Television, it's a visual. This is for Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Lucifer.
Incorrect. It's Figaro from Pinocchio. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Grams.
Incorrect. It's Geppetto from Pinocchio. English language for Mona Heights, spell rendezvous.
RENDEZVOUS.
That's right. George Headley, spell cynicism.
CYNICISM.
That's correct. Mona Heights, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this former cricket great.
Sachin Tendulkar.
That's right. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify this former cricket great.
Shinaran Chanapal.
Incorrect, it's Shane Warne from Australia. General knowledge for Mona Heights. Which bird is known as the bird of Juno?
Peacock.
That's right. George Headley, which bird is known as the bird of peace?
Dove.
That's correct. Social studies, how many hours does it take the Earth to rotate through 360 degrees of longitude?
24 hours.
That's right. George Headley, what would not exist if the Earth's axis did not have a permanent tilt?
Day and night.
Incorrect, it's the seasons. Music for Mona. Which artist released the single, What Was I Made For?
Selena Gomez.
Incorrect, it's Billie Eilish. George Headley, in which movie was Billie Eilish's song, What Was I Made For, released?
Moana.
Incorrect, it's Barbie. Mathematics for Mona. What is the sum of $88.46 and $15.88?
$104.36.
$104.36.
Incorrect, it's $104.34. George Headley, what is the difference between $99.16 and $17.85?
$81.21.
Incorrect, it's $81.31. Jamaican affairs, Mona Heights. Soldiers are in the JDF. What does JDF stand for?
Jamaica Defense Force.
That's correct. George Headley, Police officers are in the JCF. What does JCF stand for?
Jamaica Constabulary Force. Jamaica Constabulary Force.
That's right. Sports? And we won't be able to get to that question. That's the end of section 1. The scores are George Headley Primary on 6 and Mona Heights Primary on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Celebrate your small achievements, like completing a chapter or mastering a difficult concept. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.